guys, Thundering Diesel here. So it's we're here at the GA National Cemetary. I think it's like a cemetery for veterans, something like that. I'm bringing a load of sand. I need to bring 2, or I have 4 loads, but I think I only have time for 2. I started late, like at 11. I got the quarry like at almost 1. The guy didn't call me till like 10. Like, dang, I thought there was no work today, but yeah. So I think I'm gonna get 2 loads today. I'm just waiting for the guy to come get me because this is the wrong spot. Alright guys, so we're here at the Vulcan quarry in Ball Ground, Georgia. We're loaded up with sand now. We got 19.12 tons. Going all the way back to Canton Cemetary. This is our last load. Only 2 loads today, man. Damn, what a waste. This is something, man. This intersection right here is dangerous, and you cannot see, like, past those trees to your right, man. You cannot see anything. There's semis that pass by around here, man. A 55-mile-an-hour zone too. You don't even know. Uphill too, so that's dangerous as fuck. engine braking next 1 mile. Strictly enforced. You want to pay for my brakes? Expensive, huh? At what? $300, $400 each. There's lake right here. Right here to the cemetery, but he told us to go to the back entrance, back door. I didn't know it goes all the way to Cartersville 20. My GoPro stopped recording. So yeah, we delivered the sand here. Gonna check our tires. Make sure everything's clean. Got no stone on the back. Check now that the lug nuts came loose. We got a long way home, probably like what, 2 hours. Probably more with traffic now. Yeah, so I remember I came here last, what, like 4 months ago now? I delivered with another driver, my mechanic's brother. They had their own dump truck. They only drove it for like, what, 2 months. Now they sold it. I remember he got stuck. Well, not stuck, but yeah, kind of stuck. His tires weren't rolling. So I pulled him out with a rope. Imagine if he was here by himself, man, and nobody was working here no more. Everyone left. The good thing I didn't leave it. I pulled him out. So yeah, only 2 loads today. I didn't start working until like what, 11? I left my house at 11. Right now it's like what, 4? So yeah, we only got 2 loads. It pays $9.30 a ton. So yeah, thanks for watching.